Hi, I'm Danilo Firpo. I'm the Vice President of Global Service for Nidec Conversion. Nidec Conversion is part of the Nidec Energy Platform, and we take care about the conversion, as our name says, of energy and power for various applications.
My name is Maurizio Carnesecchi, and I am the Level 2 Automation and Process Control Manager in Nidec Conversion Genova. These projects are helping to have sustainable ports, enabling ships to operate with zero emission, shutting down the diesel engines, and in order to have zero emission and no noise and fuel cost reduction. The architecture includes Zenon Energy Server and Zenon Logic Soft PLC in redundant configuration for high availability. We installed the Zenon Energy Client and Zenon Engineering Studios to let the customer to modify by themselves the system. To communicate with the electrical substation and with the field devices, we used the protocol ESC 61815 integrated in Zenon Energy Edition. In order to improve the operational notification, we also installed the module Message Control, and all this system is integrated with the PLC for plant safety management. At the end, the result is a robust, secure and user-friendly system that improves environmental sustainability and enhance operational efficiency. Thanks to Zenon, we were able to implement easily a global project able to monitorize all the port from a remote central station, as shown in this big screen. Here it's possible to see the map of Sardinia with the 7 ports, with the icon that shows the status of the port, and clicking on some of these icons, it's possible to open the HMI with the real-time data coming from the port directly. We decided to participate to this award in order to recognize the teamwork and the innovation behind this project, and to share our experience during Zero Noise event with the wider automation community.